Welcome back. This is Chili Davis. I'm here to do another video. Today's video is going to be about my top performing stocks in my portfolio. And I want to welcome back all my subscribers and welcome to my new viewers. If this is your first time, thank you for stopping by. So I'm just going to cover a couple of hot stocks today, especially in my stock portfolio, and one that is not. So ticker symbol CPOP, or pop culture stock. This pop culture group is up, looks like 97%. That's all the information I really got on it. It says pop culture IPO, 11 things about it. Stock soars as nearly 100% today. So again, this is a new IPO stock. And pop culture, or CPOP, is crashing within the first 405. So yeah, just be careful. Anytime a new stock comes out, be very careful. Don't jump on the bandwagon, because you might be jumping on it right here at $59 per share, and tomorrow it may crash back down to $5 per share. But I had to cover it because I'm in a couple of trading rooms, and I don't want to not provide you that information. So if you thought about buying it, or being somewhat curious, there it is, top performing stock. Next top performing stock that I have, that I actually purchased some, is ticker symbol MRIN, or MRIN Software. Now, from my knowledge, this is the Instacart ad software that's running in the background. I don't have a whole lot of information on it, but as you can see, it surged on Tuesday to about 17 and fell. I got in some at $12 the other day. And again, it's back up. It went back up to 17 and it's back down to 15. So the true value prior to this stock is really like $8. And you can already look at the 52-week high, $19. There's not much information on this stock. So we look at this stock, it can fall back easily. But I'm just keeping my eye on it. I've got some shares. I don't have a lot of shares, but I have some shares invested. So those are the two hot stocks of the day. Now we're going to go over to my Robinhood, and we're going to take a look at what performed well today. Well, looks like ticker symbol AAPL, or Apple, was up 0.26 today. Ticker symbol ABNB, or Airbnb, was up 0.01%, almost zero. Ticker symbol FB, or Facebook, was up 1.84%. Ticker symbol F, or Ford, was up 0.34%. And ticker symbol RVLV, or Revolving Group, this is an online retailing group, was up 3.03%. Those were the top performing stocks in my Robinhood. And here we are in my other account. Top stock that I own, MRIN, otherwise known as MRIN Software. It is up 35% right now. It was as high as 60% on the day. As I say, be cautious. Just because it's hot today does not mean it's going to be hot tomorrow. Next ticker symbol, we have DIDI, or DD Global. This is the rideshare, Uber-like rideshare out of China. It is up 4.78% on its second day. So there's a lot of excitement out there. Retailers, investors, not big institutional, retail investors are buying up Diddy Global. Next ticker symbol we have is RVMD, or Revolution Medicine. It's up 5.26%. Next ticker symbol we have SFIX, or Stitch Fix. Is up 4.46%. Next ticker symbol we have up COP, or ConocoPhillips. Is your big oil stock. Again, there is a big need for oil as consumers get back on the road and start driving around the country for vacations. I've even heard it called revenge travel, just like some people call revenge trading. And if you know anything about revenge trading, it's really bad because what happens is people lose a lot of money and then they go back and try to trade and make up that money they lost. So very dangerous. But anyway, revenge travel is out and about. People are going to Vegas. People are just jumping in their cars and saying, we need a vacation. So today, ConocoPhillips is up 3.25%. Next ticker symbol we have up is RVLV, or the Revolve Group. It's up about 3%. Again, I heard about this stock back in September of last year. I started buying the Revolve Group just because I felt like it being an online retailer, and people love to shop. So it's a great situation to be in. It's almost like an Amazon in some ways, but Revolve Group is up again today, 3%. Next ticker symbol we have SAV, and I talked about this the other day. Again, we're still traveling. Ticker is up, or Spirit Airlines is up 2.7%. CLF, or Cleveland Cliffs, is up 2.3%. Again, this is Cleveland Cliffs. Cleveland Cliffs, they do iron pellets. And so I've been talking about this stock, and they have a good balance sheet. They've been buying back their stock as well. So keep your eye on Cleveland Cliffs. Next ticker symbol we have is NKE, or Nike. Nike is up 2.27%. This is, again, Nike footwear. They just came off a $1 billion sales quarter. I just talked about on last week. So anytime the stock takes a dip, it may be a good time to start your position, or maybe even add to your position. Next ticker symbol we have is DAL, or Delta Airlines. Now, this was a stock that I picked back in last summer. Again, with all the travel going on, let's just take a quick look. DAL. This is Delta Airlines. They've been around for years. But again, if you'd have caught the stock last July, you'd have only paid $26 per share. And as you can see, the 52-week high is $52 per share. Now, pre-pandemic, this stock was, I believe, almost $60. So yes, it was a $60 share. And of course, during the pandemic in February of last year, it fell off the map. But you got to remember, once people get back to traveling full time, this stock will recover, and it has recovered nicely. Now, the only other question we have is whether business travel will recover completely. There will still be people that go on vacation no matter what, but will the full business travel continue to happen? So keep your eye on Delta Airlines as well as SAV, which is Spirit. They both have just about the same chart, except Spirit is no frills travel. So if you look at the stock for the last year, let's see, I need a little bit more time than that. Okay, September 2020. Guess it won't give me that information there. Spirit Airlines. Okay, all right, we'll go back to 5. So anyway, in January, February, okay, so the normal trading price of Spirit Airlines is $43 per share, and then it dropped off, and now it's recovering. So in the last year, it's kind of recovered. It's been one of the early recovery story out of the airlines. It's been one of the few that a lot of retailers jumped on. If you like airlines, there's other people that like American Airlines, which to me makes no difference. I don't care if you buy American. I don't care if you buy Love, which is Southwest Airlines. Either way, as long as you have a airline in your portfolio, that's a good idea. So like a lot of more retailers got into American Airlines because it was trading at $11 per share. And if you look at the chart, it's gonna have the same chart as the other ones, where before the crash, they were trading at $26 per share, and then they fell off a cliff, and now they're recovering. So if you look at American Airlines, They may recover above 26, who knows? But they were $26 per share before the pandemic. And as people get back on planes and start traveling again, and the economy opens back up, the stock should recover. Now, don't expect any uber growth after that. This is the catch, guys. You have to buy strategically. If you're buying now, you're gonna have to increase your time horizon, expect to get a bigger profit line. So yes, you do want to mix into your portfolio some high risk, but you want to look for stocks like quality. I just AAPL. I just like the way Apple has done. It's just like a perfect chart. And like I said, let's just say for the last year, after the split in September, it started trading about $100. Well, they went as high as 125, 129, whatever, and then they fell. And then as the years go on, they slowly creeped up. So that's what you want out of good long-term stock, is a slowly creep up. Of course, if you're trading it, hey, you're trading it for a day or for a week, hey, you might want to spike. But anyway, those are just some tips. That's just some of my guidance, because like there's just not a lot of volatility with Apple, but they're slowly and methodic, and over time they will pay you back. And as well, you can see they do pay a 0.64 dividends, which is not much, but just keep your eye on that. So we talked about travel. We talked about how good Nike performed last quarter. Let's see if there's anything else. Ticker symbol COF or Capital One. Finance is up 1.59%. Ticker symbol SONO or Sonos Audio is up 1.19%. Ticker symbol JPM or JP Morgan Chase is up 0.99, or you might as well say 1%. So those were the top performing stocks today. Again, today was more of a mixed bag. It was a little bit of value stock and a few early showstoppers like MRIN and Diddy. But for the most part, you had a like conservative value stock play, like your Spirit Airlines Save, your CLF, you had oil, COP, you had JP Morgan up 1%. And for a bank, 1% is a good earnings for the day. So again, I want to thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. And please click the like and share. And don't forget to get your next update. Thank you.